Android 16 आ चुका है and if you are wondering about the features that are coming to your phone later this year, you are in the right place. Welcome back to the channel everyone. We have already talked about the under the hood features that are coming to your Android this year. In this video, we are going to talk about 6 more user-friendly features that aim to make your phone incredibly personal. So let's dive into these awesome new additions. First up, updates in Google Messages. Coming soon, you will be able to set custom icons and names for your RCS group chats, just like you do on WhatsApp. You can also mute notifications and can see who all in your contact list have RCS enabled. Next is updated photo editor. The Google Photos image editor is getting a massive redesign and it's coming soon. We are talking about more intelligent AI-powered suggestions to help users elevate their photos with a single tap. Now, for all you smart home enthusiasts, you will soon be able to customize your Google Home favorites across all your devices. You can pin your security cameras directly to your Google TV, have your kitchen speakers shortcuts on your Android phone, and more. For those who prioritize safety, the Personal Safety app is getting a useful update. You can now add extra time to your safety check. If you are exercising or exploring solo, Safety Check lets you schedule a check-in time to ensure you get back safely. If you don't respond, your location is shared with emergency contacts. There will be a new Emoji kitchen sticker combinations for Gboard. Users can remix their favorite emojis and send them to their friends. Finally, for those on the go, public transit payments are getting even smoother. The updates are coming on Wear OS smartwatch. You can now tap to pay with city transit cards instantly, even when the Google Wallet app is closed. And there you have it, 6 fantastic new Android features designed to make your daily digital life more personalized, efficient, and secure. From customizing your chats and elevating your photos to smarter home management and enhanced safety features, Android is truly tailoring itself to you. The comment section is open for discussion. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and make sure you are subscribed for more tech videos.